In this video we're going to be taking a look at back button focusing. So while we're in lockdown, I thought I'd take this opportunity to film a couple of videos. I've also tried that home haircutting craze, seeing as though I can't get out to a hairdresser. Yeah, that's not turned out very well. Heads to hat. Then again, I generally wear a hat anyway. So if you're watching this video, you've probably seen or heard of back button focus somewhere, and obviously you're here to find out what it is. Back button focus has really changed how I use my camera. It's probably one of the best settings I have actually changed since I bought it. Back button focus is exactly what it says it is. You use the rear button to focus rather than half press the shutter release button. What are the advantages of using back button focus? So one of the main advantages of using back button focus is you can leave it in continuous focus and seamlessly switch between focus modes and lock focus. Pressing and releasing the button will lock focus on still subjects, and pressing and holding the button will convert it into a continuous focus so you can track subjects' movements. Using the half press on your shutter release will generally refocus every time you recompose a shot, so you would need to manually change focus modes between still subjects and moving subjects. So this camera is now set up with back button focusing. So as you can see, I can press the shutter release and it doesn't focus at all. If I press the back button, it will focus in on the subject, which makes me able to recompose the shot, take the picture. So that's in focus, focus with the back button on the back, focus again. And as you can see, shutter does not focus. Setting this up on different cameras will be slightly different, but you basically need to turn off the focus in system on your shutter release, and then assign the focusing function to your AE AF lock button or your AF on button. So please let me know if you use the back button focusing in the comments below. Let us know what you think. Tell us if it works better for you or it's something you'd rather avoid. Also, please click the subscribe and the like button, and hopefully I'll see you in another video.